This is an Apple Macintosh SE computer made in 1986, model number m5011. And I got it today for $7 for the main computer, and I think about $1 for the keyboard, 67 cents for the mouse at a thrift store, and they had about 5 others just like it. It turns on and everything. This is the only one that had the little sticker on top right there, just the thing right there. It's booting. It has 1 MB of RAM. Let's open up. It was last modified in 1999, and it was licensed to the here in Springfield, Missouri, the SMSU, which is now MSU college. So it's SMSU back then, Document Design Center. Had to get used to the Mac operating system.
Go ahead, inside the window there. Maybe.
It works great. This is it. Only paid about $10 for the whole thing.